Welcome back. In this video, we will learn about three different functions. These are LPAD, RPAD, and tree. All these functions helps us in dealing with characters. LPAD basically helps us to put some characters from the left side of a particular text string. Here we can see that the syntax for LPAD is the string where we wanted to pad some more characters. Then padded length means how many lengths do we need. And then pad string, that is an optional. Pad is pad strings means what character we wanted to pad from the left side. Let us check an example here. We use select, then LPAD, and I used a particular word like I'm hero. So it is of I'm hero is of 7 characters. I wanted to make it 10 characters. So if I will run this, here I see that there are few values has been added from the left side. Now if I will use my optional value, let us suppose 1 that I wanted to put instead of this white space, then I will use here 1. Okay, now we can see there are 3 1, then I am hero. So it makes total 10 length. Now let us suppose that I wanted to make it 3 characters only. How it will behave? So here I see it takes just 3 values. I, A, M. Now let's see. I wanted to put a particular value also. How it will behave? It wouldn't behave because this number will be added from the left side and the actual value is 7 and we are just picking 3 values, due to which it will this value will not be added because it is already lesser. This 3 is less than the actual length. Now let's suppose I wanted to put some value as 12 character and instead of 1 I wanted to take 21. Now see how it behaves. So we see that this is a 7 value and I wanted to make it 12. Now what it did, 2 1 has been added from here, then again 2 1, then 2. Total 5 character has been increased. So 7, that is the actual value, and then 5 makes it 12. In the same way, RPAD also works. RPAD will use the padding string from the right side. Let us suppose that now we will, instead of using R LPAD, we will use RPAD. So we wanted to make 12 character with 21. Now we see from here it use 21 first, then 21, then 2. It just stopped at 22. This total character is now 12. In the same way, let us suppose that I wanted to take just 3 value. So again, this doesn't work. You just take 3 values. Here, it doesn't matter that it is taking. In any way, RPAD or LPAD, it will use, if we will use 3 value like here, it will take from left side the actual value. Now let us understand about trim. Trim basically put removes all white characters from a particular string. There are few functionality as well that you can use. You can remove white spaces from left side only. That means leading, trailing, or both. Even trim characters. So there are three different functionalities available with trim. The syntax for trim is trim. Either we can use leading, trailing, or both. Then the character that we wanted to trim, and then a string that we wanted to trim. It could be a white space, it could be A, B, C, whatever. So let us take few examples I have chosen here. In the first example, we can see it asks select, trim, and we put white space before this character and end of this character. Now, if we will run this function, then what it did, it removes all values from the both side. That is what basically trims do. Now, in the second example, we asked in this, we use the trim function. We said that remove this particular from this. Let's understand again. We say this remove this, that is the white space, from this value, means this string. Now run this, it gives again removes all white characters. Now let us understand how to use leading. So we use select, trim, we first write leading, then 0 from this character, this value. So it will remove all values from the leading side. It's give us just 6, 7, 8. There is no 0 value. Now in the trailing, we have a character SQL 1, and we wanted to say that remove 1 from the trailing, that is from the back. How? Yes, again we can see that there is the SQL and 1 has been removed. Let us take the last example wherein we used both, and we are telling that remove 1 from both sides of this character. 1, 2, 3 SQL 1, 1, 1, 1. When we run this, we can see that 1 has been removed, and the last 3, 1 also removed. We left with 2, 3 SQL, 2, 3 SQL. So that is how the string works. We'll meet you again in the next video. Thank you.